Hey everybody, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of my latest Amazon purchase. This is the BluReeze M10 Pro Rechargeable Toothbrush. As with all my purchases, I bought this item with my own money. I like doing these videos in case there's somebody else out there who's thinking about buying the same item and they want to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, etc. Comes sealed in plastic, so let's go ahead and get the plastic off. And we'll take a look at everything you get. Should be pretty straightforward. Rechargeable toothbrush should come with 10 different heads, which we can see they all just fell out of the box. Maybe I'll open a couple of them. Won't open all of them. Ten different heads, USB charging cable. So this toothbrush takes a 4-hour charge and it's supposed to last for 30 days on a full charge. The instruction manual. Wow, really nice carrying case here. It's a hard plastic magnetic close case. Very nice. Again, some more heads. So it looks like you've got 10 heads that come with it. 2 of them you can keep inside of the case for traveling. And then the toothbrush itself. So this is a 10 heads, 5-mode toothbrush. Not sure if it's going to have a charge or not. It's got a clean mode. Not sure if you're going to be able to see this or not. But it's got a clean mode, a white mode, a soft mode, a massage mode, and then a polish mode. This would be where you plug in your USB charger. And then the heads just snap on like that. Nice and quiet, feels good in the hand. Anyway, that's a quick unboxing video. I hope it helps.